In this video, we'll try to calculate a week over week change, and we can create a new report page. And once we have that, and if you try to create a measure, and as you can see, there is no previous week. We have your previous month, quarter, and year, but there is no previous week. So what we could do is we could go to our calendar table, and earlier we have created this, and we have a week number. We'll try to use some logic in our measure and try to use this particular column value. So let us try to create a new measure. Let us name it as previous week steps. And we will use the calculate function, and we'll want to calculate the total steps, and the filter condition will be the calendar date, this particular week number column, is equal to max of this calendar date week number minus 1. So this way will give you the previous week steps. So we'll commit to it, and once we commit to it, and we'll try to create a table visual. And there are several ways to create this previous week, but I thought I'll make it simpler and use this particular logic. And let us try to use the columns, couple of columns. We'll use the year column from the calendar table, and also we'll try to use the week number column, and also we'll add the total steps. Don't worry about the summarizations. We will try to eliminate that by after creating this table visual. We'll drag the total steps onto the table visual, and like I said, we can just go and make sure that we will select the don't summarize for those two measures. So we have a table visual which is by year, week number, total steps, and previous week. And as you can see, this is by every week. Since we have used the week number from the calendar table, you don't have values at the start of every year, so please make a note. And there is a couple of ways we can create so that we can get actual values from the week number previous week, but just wanted to make it a simple measure. So once we have that, its next logical step is to create a new measure, and we want to calculate the percentage, and we'll use our trusted divide function. And the numerator, we will try to use total steps minus previous week steps, and the denominator will be the previous week steps. And make all the format changes. I can convert that into percentage so that we have these three measures in this table visual: total steps, previous week steps, and also the percentage. And once we have that, we can create another visual. We'll copy that particular visual and convert that into a stacked bar chart. You can pause the video and look at the visual again and make all the format changes whatever you want. And we have a slicer up top and also a table visual on the left hand side of the screen, and the right hand side has a stacked bar chart. And I have added several columns so that if you hover over any of those bar chart values, you can see those tooltips also. So it's a pretty simple way to calculate previous week steps. As we continue our journey in understanding time intelligence functions, we will try to create more measures.